How to beat insomnia and fall asleep fast. 5 simple tricks. Sleep is vital to your physical and mental well-being but often neglected. Adults who live to 60, sleep on average 8 hours a day would have slept for a whopping 20 years. Without a night of restful sleep, our day can be miserable. Each day of deprived sleep just adds to one more day of misery. That's just how much the quality and quantity of sleep is worth to us. We may wake up feeling not refreshed, tired and possibly anxious. How to go to sleep. Fall asleep fast is a gift of physical and mental health that we wish we had. Wishful thinking alone doesn't help. But taking actions following sound advice and good practices will. Here are the 5 tips that are guaranteed to work. Sleep and wake up at the same time, every day, weekdays or weekends. Try committing yourself to a daily sleep routine and make it consistent. If you're good to sleep at 10 p.m. then make it a routine and habit to sleep at 10 p.m. every day. Do this consistently, your body will remember the time you normally fall asleep and wake up each day around the same time. Then when the time comes, your body will prepare itself to get ready for sleep and wake up accordingly. Research has found that such daily sleep routine works and will help you sleep faster and better. This is your first tip. No caffeine after lunch, so no coffee, tea or even soda. This is the second tip. Caffeine once in the body has a 4 to 6 hour half-life cycle. Any traces of caffeine in your body can definitely make it harder for you to fall asleep. If you really can't survive without caffeine, then do so the first thing in the morning and preferably, in moderation. You want ideally 0 caffeine by bedtime. Next, let there be darkness. This is the third tip. At bedtime, make your bedroom a dark room, the darker the better. The darker the room, the more conducive it is for our body to naturally produce melatonin to help us fall asleep. Age also affects how much you produce. The older you are, the less melatonin your body will produce. This could be one reason why older people generally find it harder to go to sleep. No screens or blue light emitting devices 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This is the fourth tip. No smartphones, tablets, laptops, TVs or anything that produces blue or white lights. Nowadays, many devices come with the blue light filter, but these only reduce but not eliminate the blue light. Blue light interferes with your body to produce melatonin and disrupts it from getting you ready for bed. Don't use any blue light emitting devices at least 30 minutes before bed. Next, keep the bedroom temperature cool. The human body finds it easier to sleep in a cooler environment. Therefore, we will find it harder to sleep when the bedroom is warm. This is because when we fall asleep, our body naturally decreases its temperature. If the room temperature is too warm at bedtime, try cooling it down with the help of a circulating fan or air conditioner an hour before bed. A cooler room will help you fall asleep faster and better. This is the last and fifth tip. Here's a recap of the 5 tips. Sleep and wake up same time daily. No caffeine after lunch. Make bedroom dark. No blue light emitting devices 30 minutes before bed. Keep bedroom cool. These 5 tips are guaranteed to work, only if you act on them. So, act on the 5 tips today, fall asleep fast and treat yourself to a good night's sleep. Thank you for viewing. Stay tuned to our next videos with the following focus. 1. How to go to sleep easier and quicker. 2. How to experience deep sleep. 3. How to stay asleep through the night. And finally, how to wake up only it's time to rise. I'll see you in the next video. This is your Improving Sleep channel signing off. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.